prices are rising again in Nigeria. Transportation cost is really shooting high. The prices of food has really skyrocketed, and in most areas electricity is not stable. Many families are already feeling the effect of this, and this situation right now is very challenging for a lot of families. But here is one thing that most people don't pay attention to. In the midst of crisis, there are always usually a lot of opportunities. Whenever there is an economic crisis, new business opportunities always appear. Let me take you back to COVID-19. If you remember very well, during COVID-19, a lot of new businesses came up. In fact, a lot of people were able to start up businesses that helped them to scale through that time, and they are still in that business till today. Coming back to the economic situation right now in Nigeria, where we are currently facing a hike in prices of fuel. Many analysts have said that this is as a result of the 2026 Iran war, and it looks like it might linger on. But here is the catch. You can actually start a business right now. In fact, many smart Nigerians are starting small businesses with resources around them right now. Now that can be you. You too can do something. This is not a time for you to complain. Rather, this is a time for you to take action. If you enjoy practical business ideas and discussions around that, then you want to subscribe on this channel, because that is exactly what we do here. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into the video for today. So I'm going to be sharing about 5 businesses that you can actually start right away, okay? And in fact, the number 3 is so simple that after this video you can actually start, so don't delay yourself. So the first business is a mobile phone and device charging. Now let's talk about what people are actually already doing with what they have. So the truth is that in most places right now in Nigeria, there's no stable or reliable power supply, and a lot of people don't even have solar power or inverters in their homes. Now the problem is that many people must charge their devices. In fact, everybody has to charge their devices every day, and since this is a major need that people must have done every day, this is a business that is staring at you quietly that you can start. So let's say you probably have a solar power or inverter or even a generator in your house right now. This is a business that is staring at you that you can actually start doing immediately. So many people have actually reduced the hours that they use in putting on their generators every day just because of the situation of the fuel. So now for you, if you have your solar power or you have inverters, or even you're able to fuel your generator conveniently, you can absolutely make this into a business. Let people know that you help them to charge their devices, even though it might be as low as 200, 300, even 500 naira. Now imagine that people want to charge their phones, their laptops, their rechargeable fans, what other devices they might have. You can put a price based on the item they are charging, depending on how big the device is. Then now you can charge per device depending on how big the device is. Let's say you're charging a laptop for maybe 500 naira, you're charging a rechargeable fan for 200 naira, you're charging a phone for like 300 naira. Now imagine putting all this together. This is probably something that you're already doing, but you're just putting it in a business structure. And I'm telling you that because people understand the situation at hand, people will be willing to pay a token even to be able to get their devices charged. Now you are actually making little and trickles of money, but the reality is that when you put this together in about a week, let's say 20 people are able to charge their phones daily, and about in a week, that means you're looking at recurring income for like 100 times in that week. The reality is that even though it might look small, but the money that you will acquire will help you to mitigate the effect of this fuel price that has gone up. So this is definitely a business that is already around you with the resources that you have, that you can start immediately. So that is one business you can do conveniently right now. And so the number 2 business idea is the printable kids activity park. Now there are 2 matters on ground right now. The first one is that there is increase in fuel prices and electricity is unstable. Now the second matter is that children are now on holiday. So this means that there is no long cartoon or animations or TV time. The reality is that parents are now looking for ways to be able to mitigate this and have their children gainfully employed. And this is where the business opportunity is. You can create different printable activity books or packs that children can get busy with. Talk of puzzles, mazes, games, storybooks, things that parents will know that their children are gainfully and actively busy with. This is going to help them to reduce screen time, which is even better for the health of those children. So as a business owner and as a smart entrepreneur, you can make use of simple AI tools like ChatGPT and your phone to create this printable kids activity booklet. Now for me as a person, I have even been able to do that, to create some activity books that I know that I'm going to engage my children with. So you can see some of them on the screen right now. I simply use ChatGPT to make these mazes, some of the printables that will keep my children busy. This can be a business, and this is actually a business that anybody can start. Once you have your phone, you are good to go. Just put the best prompts together to be able to create the proper printable activity booklet, and you're good to go. The next business idea is the food sharing service, or simply put, market errands. So come, let's reason together. Imagine that you want to buy a food stuff worth of 10,000 naira, and right now you are spending like 2,500 naira or even 3,500 naira for transport. I mean, for a lot of people, it is not even economically okay. So one business you can start with that problem in mind is that you can put together people in your community or people maybe in your church or anywhere, all right, put them together on a WhatsApp group. This is simple for you to start, because what you want to deliver to them is that if they all come together, the person that wants to buy worth of 10,000 naira, the person that wants to buy worth of 20,000, everybody come together, they put their money together, and you as the business owner now, you're going to be helping them to buy in bulk, and you will share whatever food stuff or food items that you have bought. Now what you're going to be charging is going to be for your service. So you can charge at 10% or 15% or at any amount that is reasonable enough that will be able to make the customer satisfied. Now the solution you are profiling is that you are helping them to save the cost of transportation, then they can even buy more, and then they know that they are going to be able to get more items at a subsidized rate, in quotes, because since you're buying in bulk, many of the traders in the market will prefer that bulk money compared to trickles of money that come into their hands. So this is an opportunity you can definitely latch on right now. See, don't join those people that are always looking for the perfect opportunity before they start something. This one is something you can start right away, even after this video. So the next business idea right now is the content creation during crisis. See, let's just even be true about this one. If you remember back then in that COVID-19 era, a lot of people started content creation. This is repeating itself again. Now you can definitely start your content creation if you have ever longed or desired to do that right before now. So you can start by simply sharing information, because the reality is that when there is a lot of economic crisis like this, people are relying so much on information, like information that can give them a lot of encouragement. They want a lot of, familiar and relatable stories that can keep them going. So you can capitalize on this and share information or content around things that are relatable, like how to mitigate the effect of the fuel prices, or business ideas you can actually start during the crisis, which is something like what I'm doing now, or even how you can be able to navigate during the inflation, and different content like that. So the reality is that with this content creation, you might not be making a lot of money immediately, but let me tell you, you are building an asset that is going to be worth more than whatever in time to come. So the situation here is that you are able to start using this crisis as a platform. You can start immediately, get on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook. Use this crisis period to start something. So I know for a lot of people, starting content creation is a desire that they so much want, but how to get started exactly is the problem. So if this is one thing that you're facing currently, is a challenge for you starting your content creation business, and you want me to create like a series teaching you exactly how to start, maybe on YouTube or on any platform, just indicate in the comment section, write "I'm in," put it in the comment section, "I'm in," and we can together learn and grow in this platform. If you have been enjoying this video so far, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. See, it is absolutely free. It's just a tap. Please support your girl by hitting the subscribe button and liking this video. So the next business idea right now is the social media manager. And for a lot of smart entrepreneurs, especially content creators, they know that right now is a moment to put in more content online. And this is where you want to come in. As a social media manager, you're going to meet with these content creators, these small businesses that are putting content online. You want to help them to be able to manage their social media accounts or their social media platforms, so that the people that are willing to get this information are getting it consistently. So for these businesses and creators, okay, they are assured that when they have a social media manager, then they don't have to disturb themselves about what time their content is going online. That is your job as a social media manager. So this is one thing you can look at now. Help creators and business owners and organizations to put content, to manage their social media handles and platforms. And this is a business that you can start with your phone right now during this fuel crisis.
Now, the truth is, I know that economic crises are difficult, but it is able to push people to become creative and resourceful. See, you may not be able to control fuel prices, but you can control the way you respond to the situation. So, take action.